Welcome, today in front of me Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application and then here click on the right upper corner, and you can see that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from this account, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So just to do that, click here to manage accounts on this device, and now just to log out, for example, from the first one, click here and tap to remove account. Just click here again, remove account. And now we can see that we just successfully logged out from the Google account on our device. And here in Google account settings, we'll stay only with one account. So now we'll go back to the application. And we can see that in the application we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.